In today's video, I'm going to show you how to get Apple AI features like visual intelligence on your iPhone XR, and this trick works on basically any iPhone. So let's jump right in. So first you need to open App Store and download the Google app. This is key because we will be using Google Lens as our visual intelligence tool. I already have it installed, so we are ready to move to the next step. So next, open the shortcut app on your iPhone. If you don't have it, go to the App Store and search for shortcut, install it. Once installed, open the app and tap the plus icon to create a new shortcut. And you need to rename it. I just name it new for easy identification. And inside your new shortcut, you need to tap on open app, select the Google app, and that's it, your shortcut is ready. This will let you quickly open Google Lens using a gesture instead of a dedicated button. Now you need to open the Google app, tap to Google Lens and allow any required permissions. This ensures it works smoothly with our shortcut. Now you need a gesture to trigger the shortcut. So option 1 is assistive touch. You need to go to settings, accessibility, and click on touch and excessive touch. Set double tap and then shortcut and click on your folder. Mine is new. Now double tapping the assistive touch button open Google Lens instantly. Now for the backup, you need to go to settings, accessibility, touch and backup. Set double tap and click on the shortcut again. Now double tapping the back of your iPhone will open Google Lens directly. Once the shortcut is set up, just double tap the button or back of your phone. Google Lens will open. Take a photo of any object or device. Google will search for it and show results instantly. So try both assistive touch and back tap and see which one feels easier for you. Let me know in the comments which method works you prefer. So and that's it. Now you can enjoy Apple style visual intelligence on your iPhone XR or any iPhone using Google Lens and shortcuts. I hope you liked the video. That's it for today. Thank you for watching.